Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and safety. First, inspect the back of your PC and each monitor to note available ports: HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA. Once done, match cables or select the minimal adapter. Avoid passive adapters when a signal conversion is required. Next, power down and unplug the computer and ground yourself to protect components. These initial checks prevent wasted time and hardware damage, and they set you up to make connections cleanly and confidently. Now you connect monitors to the graphics hardware. Plug the primary display into the main GPU output and tighten any screws or clips so the connection is stable. Next, attach the secondary monitor to the next available GPU port or use a powered adapter or dock if the card lacks a second port. Do not rely on motherboard outputs when a discrete GPU is present. Then plug power back in and boot the system so both screens can initialize and show basic video. Finally, configure how the two monitors behave in your operating system. You open display settings, choose extend or duplicate, drag displays into the correct physical order, and set each monitor's resolution and scale for clarity. If one monitor isn't detected or resolutions seem off, update the GPU drivers and check display adapter settings. If problems persist, try swapping cables or ports, rebooting, and verifying each monitor's input selection. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals signal or configuration errors and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.